I'm in exercise 5b, and I just added in the AAC LED data, and now I'm on page 171 where they're asking me to create 2 definition queries. Where we can identify the country of Rwanda. Oops. And the year is greater than or equal to 2010. Okay. So that layer will rename it. Okay. I'm going to do the symbology. It asks us to create graduated symbols, 3 classes. Let's change it to fatalities, 3 classes, and graduated symbols. Try that again. Fatalities, 3 classes. And they're using green for this example. Okay. Now we're going to open up our model builder. So I'm going to go under, it asks on page 174 to go to the geoprocessing pane. Oops. Sorry, click on analysis, click on the tools, get the geoprocessing. No. Anyway, this is where we're clicking. We're clicking on model builder. And so now we can see in our catalog we have a new model. And it asks us to drag this layer, the Rwanda layer, into the model. And you can resize it. And then it asks you to find in the geoprocessing pane, search for select, and we want to select layer by attribute. Oops. And we're going to drag that onto our model. And then we are going to search for summary. Drag summary statistics in. Line it up again. Okay. Next, we're defining our tool parameters. On page 176, click ACLD Rwanda and drag a right arrow to, where do we go first? Select layer by attribute and select input rows. Double click on select layer by attribute. And then it says in number 3 in the tool pane, keep the default selection under expression, build the following expression where event type is equal to violence. Event type is equal to violence against civilians. Click OK. All right, let's get that to line up again. All right. Now we're going to go to the summary statistics, and we want to take this green output, and that's going to be our input table. In the model, double-click Summary Statistics tool. For the input table, leave that. That's a parameter. I'm going to choose the intermediate data. The output table, keep the default location. And we'll change this to Rwanda statistics. And then for field, we're clicking fatalities. And sum. And then click OK. Leave the case field. Okay. Using Model Builder, we've connected our operations, so let's lay this out again. Oh, it's telling you now in step 8 to click the auto layout button in the model builder tab, and number 9 in the model group, click save to save this model. On the model builder tab in the run group, click run. We missed it, but they all turned red. We can close this and we can switch to the map view and see that we have some data now selected. Number 4 in the catalog pane, expand the conflict. We'll refresh our conflict geo database, and now we see we have our Rwanda statistics here. We can drag it to the map. And open and view them here. All right, now we got to convert our model to a geoprocessing tool. Let's go back to our model. In the model builder, right-click on the input element, the blue oval, and click parameter. We'll see the P is out of there. Right-click, select layer by attribute. Let's click create variable from parameter, expression. Right-click the summary statistics tool element, create variable from parameter, statistics field, and set the final output in both variables as parameters. Final output, both variables. Actually, let me exit this layout. So we have one for expression. Oops. This up here. Okay. Parameters, parameter, parameter. Okay. Save the model. And exit model builder. In the catalog pane, find the model tool in the conflict toolbox. Double click to open it, and your model looks like a regular geoprocessing tool. We can change the output variable. We're going to add a 2 at the end. Just edit the event type to riots and protests. And then run the tool. And we're seeing our new statistics, and then we can clear our selection and get started on 5C.